actually made a huge scene about that. There we go. Oh. I have editing equipment now. I have editing equipment, and I'm actually very happy. By editing equipment, I mean that I have an app on my phone. I can't remember what it's called, but it's actually really helpful, and it's been helping me with some of, like, I've tested it out. I've recorded a few, like, little silly videos that I thought would be kind of cool to just kind of check out. I love you. But I wanted to see how it works and everything. I found a fortune cookie thing in my pocket. No, I just wanted to try out with a couple of little videos just here and there. Nothing too serious, nothing too extravagant, nothing too special. Just a few things that I'd record in the cafeteria of my school or in the car or on the way to school, you know. I also can't drive. Okay, bye. I'll just wait. You done? Okay. Anyway, I can't drive, actually. I take the bus to school, and I mean, it's pretty cool, like, getting able to take the bus and, like, meeting a few new people, like, getting to know the bus drivers and everything. They're really cool. Like, I love the bus drivers. They're super cool. But I really would like to learn, like, I know how to drive, I just don't have my license, so therefore I can't do it legally. Yeah, Luna's, like, mad at me because I can't drive. She's eating my hair. But I just thought that it would be kind of cool just to, like, talk to you guys about some stuff that's been happening recently. One thing is that my final day of school is actually going to be next Wednesday, which is super exciting. Okay. She's over there now. But it's actually next Wednesday, and, you know, I'm freaking excited for it, man. Like, would you... Okay. Okay, where are you going? What? Where are you going? Take care of the dog. Okay. But no, my last day of school is going to be on Wednesday of next week, and I'm super excited because I'm ready for winter break, and I'm ready to just chill and relax and just have a very Merry Christmas, you know? My gosh. One of my favorite things about Christmas is, like, would you stop? One of my favorite things about Christmas isn't really, like, it isn't the presents, it isn't, like, the food, even though the food is, like, great. My favorite part of Christmas